Okay, so this is how you do this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get rid of this 2, so we're gonna multiply each side by 2. So then that will give you, you can get to 3x plus 7 equals 10x over 3 times 3. And then you can cross out these x's, these 3's, and then we need to distribute that. So 3x plus 21 equals 10x. And then we need to subtract 3x from both sides, and then it will give you 21 equals 7x, and then divide by 7, and then that is 3 equals x. And then for this one, what we need to do is we need to cross multiply. So when you do that, it gives you 9x plus 10 equals 12. And then negative 3x, and then distribute. So it would be 9x plus 9d equals negative 36x, and then subtract 9 from both sides, and then it'll give you 90 equals negative 45x over 45, and then that'll be, or not over, but you just have to, you have to divide by both things, and so then it'll give negative 2 equals x. And then for this next one, you can't cross multiply, so we need to turn this into an we need to turn this into we need to turn this side into a fraction. So you can do 2j over 1 minus 1/3 equals, or 2i, sorry, not j, I. And then that'll give you 2i minus 1 over I. And then, so now we can cross multiply with those two equations. So from the original equation, j plus 4j plus 2, and then the one that we just did, 2i, sorry, not j, I keep saying j because it looks like a j to me, and then that's an I, and then so you do that, and then now you can cross multiply, and that'll give you I, and then I plus 4, and then I plus 2, then 2i minus 1. And then from there you can do I, because you need to distribute, to the power of 2 plus 4i equals 2i squared minus I plus 4i minus 2. And then you can add the like terms. So it's I squared plus 4i equals 2i squared plus 3i minus 2. And then we need to simplify, or I forget what it's called, but we're trying to get i's on one side. So you need to do I squared, and then I squared, or sorry, I squared, and then 4i, and then 4i, and then that'll give you 0 equals I squared minus I minus 2. And then, so from that equation, we need to factor it out. And so to do that, it would be obviously i's right there, and then what's left is a negative 1 and a 2. So, or sorry, not the negative 1. There, what's left is a 2 and a 1, so we need to get to that. So negative 2 and a positive 1 is the way to get to that, and then so the answer is going to be a positive 2 and a negative 1.